installed some lights for my saddlebags in my trunk, and I thought I'd give y'all a shot at how I did it. Here's the first lights. You can see them right there. It's just LED lights, very bright. I got one on each side, and in the trunk there's a 30-second timer because I leave my lights on, my trunk open all the time. And then you can see the lights on the side. Lights it up very well. Here, let me turn my flash off, and you can see how good it's lit up in there. And it should go off after 30 seconds. And there it goes. And then if you need it on longer, you can simply mash the buttons and it'll come back on. There's my switch. Light in the trunk and lights on the side.